Really just then copy your link and paste it right here, and then sit back, relax, and get paid 24 cents every 60 seconds on complete autopilot. What's going on, Nintendo fam? It's Eric here. In today's video, I want to show you a step-by-step copy and paste free method that you can use to make 24 cents every 60 seconds, literally for just copy and pasting. Now 24 cents is not really a lot, but if you're going to multiply it by 60 minutes, because this method which I'm going to show you in this video is going to be working for you 24/7 on autopilot. So even if you're going to work for the next, I don't know, like 30 minutes to set this up, it's going to be working for you on autopilot, set and forget type, 24/7 every single hour of the day. So it's not like 8 hours per day to work, it's going to work 24/7. Okay, so if you are going to multiply it 24 cents times 60 minutes, that's going to be making you $14 per hour on average. Now $14, so this is pretty much what you are going to be making on average per hour, so $14.40. Again, it's not a lot, but now this is where the important part actually happens, because this is going to be working for you. This is going to be working for you 24 hours. So now we just multiplied by 24, and this is where the magic happens. You can make like $345 per day using this method. You can also make like much more if you're going to scale it, just like I'm going to show you in a few minutes. Or you can also make a lot less if you are not going to take action. Now, what I know for a fact is if you are not going to do anything, I'm just going to add $300 plus. If you're not going to do anything with this method, you are not going to make money. If you're going to take action, you can wake up tomorrow, check your accounts, and there are going to be dollars sitting there. And all you have to do is just withdraw them. So just take action on this method and you are going to make money. Anyways, before we get started, please do not forget to like this video, comment down below. For the YouTube algorithm, this video is 100% free and it's going to help a lot of people. So let me help spread the word, and the more people are going to be doing this method, it's not going to take away from your earnings. So don't be afraid to share it with other people. So let's just get started. Now, step number one, just head over to this website right here called cpagrip.com. Now go ahead and register for an account if you don't have one already. Enter all these details. They are pretty much self-explanatory. What you go right here, this is the important part I need to tell you about, is going to be the publisher type. Select GPT. That means get paid to. This is going to approve you very easily. So just select GPT, and then everything after that is going to be just whatever you want, pretty much your real details. Then this is going to be how it's going to look like inside. So if you don't have a CPA Grip account already, I highly recommend that you're going to create one if you are a beginner, because there's a lot of people making money using this method. You can see right here, people are making like $8, $6 per day, $2, $5, $3, $25. I guess it's not a lot, but over time it's going to add up. And if you're going to save up like $10, $20, $30, $100, you can invest it later on. And what I highly recommend that you're going to invest it is going to be the course that I'm putting together myself, where I'm going to show you how to go from zero to making your first $3,000 per month with affiliate marketing using my incognito affiliate system. Now stay tuned for that. Just don't forget to vote on the poll what should be the price tag, okay? And also please let me know in the comment section below if I'm putting together a course that's going to guarantee your results or you get a full refund. What should definitely not be missing out in this course? If it's like a free traffic strategy, if it's something that doesn't make sense to you, if there should be over-the-shoulder videos, if there should be a method for making money on your phone, just tell me what is the most important part, and I'm going to make sure I won't forget to add it there. Now, back to the method. We are at CPA Grip. Go to the offer tools and go to your offers, okay? This is going to be very simple and very fast method. Then on the country right here, click there and go all the way to the top and select United States. And if you're going to see, there's going to be a lot of different affiliate offers, or let's call them CPA offers, because you are going to be making money even when no sales are going to happen. That are right here. Some of them are to download, some of them are to install, but we are looking for these email zip submits. and you can see they are paying like $2.50 for a simple email submit, and some of them are paying $3.35. You can see this one, if people are playing Fortnite, you can get paid $3.35 for every single person that's going to fill in this very short form right here. Now, what you want to do is just go to this one right here that says get a brand new PS5 now, get a brand new PlayStation 5 right now. And now whenever somebody's going to go to this page, unfortunately I cannot preview it because I'm not from United States, and they are going to enter a couple of different answers and they are going to enter their email address, you are getting paid $2.51. And on average, 17% of the people that are going to click on that link, you are going to get paid for doing that. And 27 cents is actually the average EPC. So 27 cents per one click. Okay, now you can easily get one click every single minute or get 60 clicks per hour if you're going to do this method just the way I'm going to show you. So just go right here, get your affiliate link. It's affiliate link still, even though it's CPA offer. Copy your link right here. Then go to Bitly, and you want to create your free account for this, okay? Create a free account on Bitly. Click on create a new link, add your CPA link right here and click on create. And now you want to customize this back half like PS5 free giveaway, okay? Something like this. I'm going to add some numbers, so I'm not going to take away your specific affiliate link, okay? Just make sure you're going to make it just like PS5 giveaway, free PS5 giveaway, and so on and so on. Just click on save, and now you want to copy this link. Now whenever somebody is going to go to this link and they are from United States, they are going to be presented with CPA offer. You get paid whenever they are going to claim their free PS5 from the giveaway. And if they are not from the United States, they are going to be redirected to any other CPA affiliate offer. Now the most important part is how to actually get traffic to this link, and for that I'm going to show you a very simple strategy from one of the highest trafficking websites from this category. Now what I'm looking for is to get gamers, okay? So just head over to this website, which is called forums.pcgamer.com. Now click on register right here to create your free account. Just use Google because this is the fastest way to actually do it. So register fast using Google. Click on Google, select your Google account, and then just select your username. Make sure you're going to go for like a real username like Eric Taggy. I'm just going to add some numbers. I agree. Click on register, and now you really just go right here to your name, head over to the signature right here, and what you want to do is you want to place your link right here, but make sure you're going to add something along the lines like this, like free PS5 giveaway for September 2021, and add your link. Now make sure you're going to enter free, make sure you're going to enter the PS5, and to make it higher converting, add the current month of the year and add the current year, so it's going to be higher converting, so people are going to go through that. Instead of just like free PS5 giveaway, it's going to say free PS5 giveaway for September 2021. They are going to check up the date, and then they are going to assume like, okay, they are giving away a new PS5 every single month at the end of the month. Currently there's like 6 days left for the month, so I might as well win one. Then click on save, and all you really have to do is just head over to the trending forums on the left hand side, and you really just want to engage. So what is the best shooting game on PC? Now all you have to do is just Google this or vote right here. So for example, Fortnite, PUBG, Far Cry, Call of Duty, just vote and then just comment as well. And you're going to see all these people have some form of signature, and yours is going to say that there's a free PS5 giveaway. They're going to check it out, they're going to try to register, and if they're going to be from United States, they are going to be presented with the same exact offer, and you get paid over $2 for this. That's it. That's how simple it is to make money using CPA. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to please like it, comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's try and get to 50,000 subscribers. And if you'd like to see how I made over $500 in affiliate commissions by promoting one single product on ClickBank using an automated traffic software, be sure to check out this video right here, which is going to show you all the details about the method. And I'm going to see you inside of there. Bye for now.